Question 24. The diagram shows the cross-section of a wall across a creek. Part A. Use two applications of the trapezoidal rule to estimate the area of the cross-section of the wall. We can apply the extended trapezoidal rule formula to estimate the area of this irregular shape. Now we have three measurements, 1.9 meters, 2.7 meters, and 1.7 meters. And the distance between successive measurements is half of 8 meters, since we have two equal width sections, and that's 4.0 meters. And that's substituted for the pronumeral or the variable h in the trapezoidal rule formula. So the area of this irregular shape is approximately equal to h over 2 or 4 over 2 outside of one lot of this measurement, so that's 1.9 meters, plus two lots of this measurement, so that's 2 times 2.7 meters, plus one lot of this measurement, so that's plus 1.7 meters in brackets. And evaluating this expression, we get 18 square meters. Part B. The wall has a uniform thickness of 0.80 meters. The weight of 1 cubic meter of concrete is 3.52 tons. How many tons of concrete are in the wall? Give the answer to two significant figures. Now the wall has a uniform thickness of 0.80 meters. Now the key word here is uniform. That means that we're dealing with a shape that is a prism. And to find the volume of this prism, we can apply the volume of a prism formula. V equals the area of the cross-section multiplied by the height or depth, or in this case, the uniform thickness. And because we're dealing with an approximation to the cross-sectional area of this wall, I'm using the approximately equals to symbol here, the volume of the prism is approximately equal to 18, so that's the cross-sectional area, multiplied by the uniform thickness of 0.80 meters, and that gives us 14.4 cubic meters. Now the weight of concrete per cubic meter is 3.52 tons, and we have 14.4 cubic meters. So to get the weight or mass of concrete in this wall, we take the volume of the wall, which is 14.4 cubic meters, and we multiply that by the weight of concrete per cubic meter, which is 3.52. And that gives us approximately 50.688 tons. Now the question is asking us to give the answer correct to two significant figures. So rounding 50.688 correct to two significant figures, the 5 and the 0 are the two significant figures, and the 0 needs to be rounded up to 1 because the digit along is 5 or more, and that gives us 51 tons correct to two significant figures.